The new GoPro Hero 11 Black features a new larger sensor with an 8:7 aspect ratio that allows for vertical cropping to fit your favorite social media platform. The GoPro 11 is waterproof to a depth of 33 feet and has hyperview for an even wider shot of your action. This new sensor produces 27 megapixel still photos. It now shoots RAW images in burst mode and allows for recording at 5.3K 60 FPS, 4K up to 120 FPS, and 2.7K 240 FPS for high-resolution super slow motion. The Hero 11 includes the long-lasting Enduro battery as a standard accessory and is capable of shooting in 10-bit color. New for the Hero 11 are Auto Star Trail and Light Painting modes. There are also settings for Easy and Pro modes, making the GoPro Hero 11 Black the best choice for an action camera.